Hello, everyone over there at BQ Basements and Concrete. My name is Charles, and like I said in my Facebook message, um, I will send you the short video. This is the short video I was going to send you, and basically go through how you can get more clients. And I'm going to show you numbers showing you exactly how many people are looking for you per month, and suggest a few things that you can do to capture more of this traffic. Now you can take these tips, like I had said in my email and my message, they're free of charge. Use them, utilize them, give them to your website or SEO person. Or if you like what you see, I have more tricks up my sleeve, and and definitely look forward to discussing partnering together and helping you grow your business. I'm sure you're wondering, why am I doing this? Well, I know that business owners are way too busy to learn all of this stuff. There's so much information out there. Along with that, there are other professionals in my field who ask for much without little return, without putting in and getting the results that the business owners are looking for. Another reason why I make these videos is because I'm sure you know 90% of people use Google to search for local businesses. So, for example, if I was looking for a foundation repair in Philadelphia, this keyword, whatever people type into Google, is known as a keyword. This keyword brings up these results. Now, 70% of people will stay on this first page. So it's important to rank high and get free traffic without having to pay for advertisements and Yelp and any other lead generation services. So let's get started. The three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page. All of the texts, the images, the words, everything I've highlighted in blue, even the words behind the images. For example, if I try and save this one image, you'll see it saved as a random string of letters and numbers. It's important to save your pictures with keywords so that Google sees your site as more relevant. Whenever Google indexes your website, or rather whenever Google bots read your website, they'll know to put you in front of these kind of searches. So, for example, I use a tool to study, to research keywords and websites, etc. The tool is a popular tool called Ahrefs. It's called Ahrefs. And now what I want to show you is the kind of people who are looking for foundation repair Philadelphia. It's what's known as a buyer intent keyword, because someone typing in foundation repair with a location most probably is looking for that service and looking for a company. And you can see there are about 150 people who search every month for foundation repair Philadelphia. Not only that, I looked at a few other keywords. Here's basement repair Cherry Hill, New Jersey. 100 people look for that every month. We saw that already. Basement waterproofing Philadelphia. 400 people look for that every month. Basement repair Cherry Hill. Basement Philadelphia basement waterproofing. 300 people are looking for that every month. What I'm going to do is go here and look at related keywords and show you the kind of numbers. Basement waterproofing, Philadelphia basement waterproofing, foundation repair. So if you look at the volume for these kind of searches, it's a lot. So I'm pretty sure if you were ranking higher, for example, for this one basement, let's look at the domains where the traffic is going. Jameson waterproofing is getting 44 of them. Now, if you were higher, because they're in the third position, if you were up here, you would be grabbing some of this traffic, and I'm sure that kind of traffic would help you grow. Okay, so back to content. Content, make sure you have, at least to optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page, sprinkled in with those keywords. So it's important to research keywords, what people are looking for, make sure those appear on your website. Next thing I want to talk about are citations. Now let's go back to the search. This area that appears right below the search. So for search results, you usually have Google Ads first and then the map pack, where you have three businesses and a map of the local area. How do these businesses rank higher and higher in here? You can see that it's not directly correlated to reviews. Well, a lot of it has to do with citations. A citation is anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number exactly as they are in your business profile, in your Google business profile, but cited in different directories online. So the more citations, or rather the more places that your name, address, and phone number are cited online, for example, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, Yext. I have a huge list of different citations here, of different places where you can get cited. Contractors.com, Fixer.com, etc. The more and more relevant citations you have compared to your competitors, the higher you'll rank here. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Our backlinks have to do with the organic listings section down here. So what is a backlink? A backlink is when a different site links to your site, directing traffic to you. For example, if there was a basement contractor forum and they had a blog up and had your link there, sending people to your site, that's a good, strong, relevant backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. If it was a Burger King in Marietta, Georgia, that's linking to you, there's no way that's relevant to you, and Google can recognize that and sees that as spammy and drops you down for different search results. I'm going to take your competitor here and plug him into Ahrefs so that we can analyze. This is what your SEO or website person should be doing. They should be looking at your competitors, looking at their backlinks, looking at the referring domains that give them those backlinks, and making sure that you have either the same or higher quality backlinks and higher in number so that you can dominate your competition in local searches. So those are the three things I want to talk about. I definitely have more tricks up my sleeve, but these three things I found that help business owners to get to the top of Google, because not all business owners know this. So as soon as you start implementing even just a little, and I'm not saying it's automatic, it'll take possibly a few months, but then as soon as you're at the top, then you don't have to pay as much for advertising and for any leads, because people will be finding you naturally, organically, for those searches that they are for that service that they need in your area. Thank you very much. I appreciate the time you've taken. And like I said, I'm just going to ask for feedback. And I hope your business can grow. Thank you.